In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an opening balance in Zoho Books effectively and efficiently. Zoho Books is a comprehensive cloud accounting platform designed to help you manage your finances, and adding your opening balance correctly is key to ensuring accurate financial reporting right from the start. First things first, you'll want to be logged into your Zoho Books account. Starting from your dashboard, look towards the navigation panel on the left and click on the gear icon, which represents your settings. This step is like setting the stage for our entire process, making sure you're in the right place to make these essential changes. Once in the settings, scroll through the options and look for opening balances. It's important because this is where you'll input the initial amounts that reflect your account's starting points. Consider it like a financial painting. These numbers set the background for how your business stands financially on day one. Now, within the opening balances menu, you'll notice an option labeled Migration Date. Click on it to select the specific date you want your opening balances to be effective from. This selection can be the starting date of your financial year or the day your business commenced operations. Inputting the correct date is crucial, as it affects all subsequent financial statements and reports. Next, direct your attention towards selecting the specific types of accounts involved, such as assets. Clicking on assets allows you to input balances related to everything your business owns at that time. Think of it as enumerating your company's holdings, from cash in the bank to inventory or equipment. After setting up your assets, it's time to focus on expenses. Clicking on the expense option allows you to record any pre-existing financial obligations or costs that are being carried forward. This lays out the commitments you have, providing a clearer lens on your overall financial health. With details on the assets and expenses in place, you're primed to continue moving forward. By clicking on Continue, you ensure all the information you've added is appropriately saved and ready for the next steps. It's like confirming the numbers you've just entered, acknowledging that they accurately portray your business's position. Before proceeding, double-check all the details you've entered. Once you're confident that everything is correct, hitting Confirm will finalize your settings. This step is akin to sealing your work, ensuring all entered data is approved for use in future financial records. Finally, click OK. This action acts as a wrap-up, signaling the end of the process, confirming that your opening balances are now correctly added to Zoho Books. And there you have it. Your financial journey in Zoho Books begins with accurately added opening balances, setting a solid foundation for managing your company's finances efficiently. Remember, exact entries here will support reliability in your business reports, help with easier tracking of financial goals, and ensure you're well prepared as your business grows. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on managing finances in Zoho Books.